Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this session of bookkeeping and accountancy, not for profit concern. In this session, I am going to solve question number 8. It is a question on newly started business, newly started art circle. Let us read the question first. Jivan Jyoti Art Circle, a newly established concern, has presented the following information. This is the receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Receipt side and payment side. Very first receipt is admission fees. If you observe adjustment number 3, full amount of admission fees and 50% of the donations are to be capitalized. That means we have to transfer entire admission fee to capital fund and 50% of the donations to capital fund. And rest 50% of the donations are to be recorded to income and expenditure account, credit side as income. Furniture, it is purchase of furniture, balance sheet asset side, stationery, income and expenditure account, debit side, office rent, income and expenditure account, debit side, newspapers and periodicals, income and expenditure account, debit side, telephone expense, income and expenditure account, debit side, investment is purchase of an asset, so we have to record it to balance sheet asset side. And closing balances of cash and bank rupees 37,540. These are the closing balances, so we have to record them to balance sheet asset side. If you observe in this question, there are no opening cash and opening bank balances are given because it is a newly started business. So opening cash, opening bank balance and opening capital fund is not available in this question. So opening capital fund will be nil. Let us read all the adjustments again. Subscription outstanding for the year, put a tick to subscription. Depreciation on furniture, put a tick to furniture. Full amount of admission fees and 50% donation to be capitalized. I already discussed this. You are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. Let us post all the receipt and payment items first. First item is admission fee. It is to be treated as, it is to be recorded to balance sheet liability side as full amount of admission fees is to be capitalized. So balance sheet liability side, capital fund is not given, it is nil, as no opening capital fund is given. You will add admission fees into his full amount rupees 22,000. Subscriptions, income and expenditure account, credit side by subscriptions rupees 40,000. As there is one adjustment on subscription, so we will record subscription to inner column first and we will leave one line for adjustment. Next, donation. 50% of the donation is to be treated as income by donations. 50% comes to rupees 9,000 and rest of the 50% is to be added to the capital fund. Add donations 50% rupees 9,000. So total is 31,000. Let us move ahead with the payment part. Furniture, purchase of asset, balance sheet asset side. Furniture, rupees 12,000. We will record to the inner column as there is one adjustment on furniture. Next item, stationery. Expenditure side, to stationery, amount is rupees 4,000 to the outer column as no adjustment is there. Next is office rent. Amount is rupees 2,600. Next is newspapers and periodicals. Amount is rupees 300. Next item, to telephone expenses. Amount rupees 560. Next is investment. Balance sheet, asset side. Amount rupees 23,000. And closing balances of cash and bank. Asset side, cash in hand rupees 7,540. Cash at bank amount rupees 30,000. So total is 37,540. Now the adjustment part. First adjustment is outstanding subscription for the year was rupees 5,000. We will add to the subscription. Add outstanding rupees 5,000. Total subscription for the year is now 45,000. Second effect of outstanding income will go to balance sheet asset side. Outstanding subscription rupees 5,000. Next adjustment is depreciate furniture at the rate of 10% per annum. We will deduct 10% from depreciation from furniture as depreciation. Less depreciation, 10% is equal to rupees 1,200. So to the outer column, the net value of the furniture will be rupees 10,800. Will be rupees 10,800. Second effect will go to income and expenditure account debit side as to depreciation on furniture rupees 1,200. Next adjustment, full amount of admission fees and 50% of the donations are to be capitalized. We already capitalized the full amount of admission fees and 50% of the donations. Let us now find out whether the business has incurred surplus or deficit. As you can see, credit side is heavy and debit side total is rupees 8,606. So the surplus is equal to rupees 54,000 minus rupees 8,660, rupees 45,340. This surplus will transfer to capital fund. surplus transferred to capital fund rupees 45,340. Let us add this to the capital fund. Add surplus rupees 45,340. So total capital fund is now 76,340 and balance sheet total amount 76,340. Go through the question again, solve this question on your own and solve similar type of question. Thank you.